What's going on, guys? Kind of just want to go over a trade recap I took on Sunday at Asia Open. Just kind of coming into the trade. We did have this big Newark opening gap, so normally we do want to come revisit it. That doesn't mean we have to, but typically we do want to rebalance that area before going in either direction, either up or down. But this was an unbalanced area anyways, so I did just draw my fib from high to low. Because we did never balance it high to low. All I was really looking for was a rejection off of the 0.705 or the 0.786 with a nice flip in delta. I did have a bit more conviction in this trade just because we had a little AMD model play out on it. We had our accumulation, our manipulation, and then our distribution. We also had that fib level giving me pretty good confidence that we're going to come reject off of somewhere up here. That doesn't necessarily mean it has to be here. These are the best levels that I'm looking for rejection off of. But we also did have previous value area high as another confluence for this trade. As I was watching this trade play out, we did have a bunch of buyers trying to aggressively buy right here on this yellow candle up, pushing us up. And they were just all getting absorbed. They weren't going higher. Buyers and sellers were just fighting. So that just gave me enough confidence on the trade to just take it, risk a little bit. It was a bit bigger of a stop, but that's okay. 48 points, nothing crazy. Ended up getting like a tick, half a tick in drawdown, which was pretty dope on this trade. And then I just took it down to prior session VWAP. In hindsight, I could have just looked for weakness in sellers and held it as far down. I probably would have held it to value area low at least, because we had a little push up with these aggressive buyers, but they ended up getting absorbed and taken out and just failing with sellers taking over again. But overall, pretty solid trade, pretty stoked about it. Did take out a little early, but I did take it on my phone. It was Asia Open on Sunday, so I wasn't too keen on looking for a trade, but I'm glad I did look, because this was a beautiful AMD model right here, this whole model with some very strong levels that we rejected off of, and we just had everything I was looking for. Glad I took the trade, ended up making a little bit of money on it. In hindsight, it's very very annoying seeing the trade run all the way down, but it is what it is. No big deal. We always catch them. Just get your piece of the pie and get out, right? So that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Hopefully it was safe. But other than that, have a good week trading. Go make some money. And we'll catch you in the next one.